Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Now we will manually program our ICOM ICP80. So this is the sample frequency we will input in this radio, and we will save it to channel 20. So press BFO, go to BFO, and then type your frequency 144 600. Okay, press function and 8 or set. Okay, the transmit is on. Just press the up down button. Okay, we're looking for, so this is the receive tone, transmit tone, 162.2. use the knob to change the rotate. Okay, 162. Okay, 162. Then up and down button. So it the direction set it positive. So 600 kilohertz, it's set to 600. So you can change it by rotating the knob. Okay, that's 600. So already set. Okay, then go to and back. To set the direction, press again function, then 4. So direction is in negative, but we need this positive direction. Repeat function, then 4, set to positive. Okay, then to save it, press function BFO. The memory is blinking, so I'm going to save it to channel 20. Up and up button. Okay, so 20, then press function and BFO. Function BFO, long press. Okay, when you hear that, I'll go to memory. Okay, see, when we press, okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.